What's going on YouTube is Ron comes in handy, tradesman services and solutions, and we're gonna talk about what I do on a slow day. So right now it's been a slow week, not because it's wrong with business, it's just because I just been lazy. The weather's changing, it's actually getting cooler now. I'm trying to enjoy the coolness, so I'm doing like 1 job a day, 2 jobs a day. So on these slow days I usually just like return items, and I either do like maintenance on my truck or clean up my truck or try to look for like other opportunities. So it's almost like another office day. So right now we're going to a commercial property. I got a request to go check out this property because there's been graffiti on the wall. Somebody put graffiti on the wall and on the trash bin, or the trash bin. And so they want me to go take a look, see what it's gonna cost. I looked at it last week, but nobody was in the office. The door was open, but nobody was in the office. I had stand there for like 10 minutes and nobody was there. So it's gonna be about like $130. $115 is like my base fee, and then just like another $15 to get like the spray can. I already got like a graffiti remover already in my truck, but the other thing that they put on is pretty big, and I'm not going to use a graffiti remover because it'll remove the existing paint. I guess what I'm going to do is get some other paint, roll-on paint, and just remove it like that. So so you guys stay tuned. So here's the first one right here. Now that I'm looking at it, this doesn't even look like graffiti. I wonder, maybe it is. I wonder, it looks like maybe a marker actually, but I got this right here. This should take it off easily. You don't need a lot either. You see it's already working in. See the darker spot? So let me see and spray a little bit more. Alright, so it looks like I'm going to spray a little bit more. It's no problem. I should have got one of my brushes. All right, I'm gonna work on this and I'll cut back. All right, there's that one. With all the Pepto-Bismol on my rag. All right, I saw another spot over here. It's the same, it's on this building right here, on the stucco. So I'm wondering if I do spray it on there, if it'll take the paint off the stucco. It's not this one, but let me just try this right here. All right, here's the other one right here. There's this small one right here. Then there's this. So this, you could tell this has been painted before because you can see the different paint down there. And this side is from this side. So Yeah, looks like the person keeps on coming back, repeated offender. So this is where I think I might have to get another paint, maybe a quart, to cover this up. All right, we're all done. I remember my mom used my truck one time. She says, "How can you drive with all that stuff on your dashboard?" Sorry, I'll clean it one day. This stuff I gotta return. Oh, this could go. It's my son's truck. This will go back in the house. That's what I'm gonna do. This is my brother's, I think. Yeah, give it back to my brother. Gotta get some gum. Keep that right here. These are lights after return. I'm gonna put these in here. I think we're good. All right. Oh, I'll start making a video for this project car right here.